Hello guys, welcome to SportTube. In this video, we learn how to find a hardcode file of WordPress theme. And second, we edit that theme and customize same like we want. Before starting this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. So how to find a hardcode file, any themes? First go to your cPanel and into the cPanel we have a file manager. Click on it and into the file manager we have a multiple websites. In my case, I want to edit a satellite network website hardcode. First, we want to find a hardcode file, and second, we modified that file. So let's go to the satellitenetwork.com website folder by clicking here. And in the satellitenetwork.com website, we have a WP content folder. And in the WP content folder we have theme folder also, and in this area we have a first folder of fairy theme. My current theme name is fairy, so we want to open this folder, and in this area we select a candidate themes folder by clicking here, and here you select a fountains folder by clicking here, and here you can modify a file. So which one file we want to edit to broke a hardcode, and the file name is hopecontent.php. so select this file and click to edit, and here you select a charter by clicking a drop down if you want to edit something more. After select a charter, click to edit, and in this file you can modify a file and use this. For example, if you want to use a post setting and post picture, thumbnail, many more options available, all the hardcode available here. So you can modify this file. So here you can modify a file how you want to modify it, and after modified complete this, click to save changes. So as you can see, we have done modified already my website and it's working fine. And if you have a footer credit area problem, you can modify your footer area same like this. I have already modified. Hope this video very helpful for you to how to edit a hardcode any WordPress theme. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. Thanks for watching.